Maryland and St. Virginia State, West Virginia, are playing right now. It's the first game of the tournament. So I got my picks made. I got Houston winning it all. Let's see how that bears out. That's that clock over there, dinging, chiming. I'll do all the packing once I get this apart. I'll do all the packing up of it. I won't videotape that part. Man, this was hard. Ah, that screw isn't tight. Oh gosh, that was hard to get out. Probably don't need to see me doing this, but okay, I'm really worried what's going to happen now. I'm going to take this final screw out. See? There you go. You gotta be careful. This is the bottom. How can I tell the bottom from the top? We put a piece of tape on the bottom. I don't know what kind of tape this is, but it won't cut. Bottom piece. Dust the door. Okay, we still got some work to do here. Oh, that won't come apart yet. This has to come apart. Okay, there's little screws on the side of that. I have to release this from here. There we are. That's that side. And that little screw fell out. We won't want to lose those, will we? Oh my God, that was tight. still is tight. Geez, was it cross-threaded? It's so tight. I don't think it was cross-threaded though. It's just difficult to get out. Just about out. Just about out. No, the screwdriver will only go one way. It's too big. I got just a tool for this. It won't go in. Darn. Damn it. This one's too big to fit in. Okay, we need a small screwdriver. I got a smaller one. That's turning it. There we go. I don't know if I need to. Yeah, we'll take that off too. Three little screws. But we only have one little screw. Where'd the other screw go? That's with those guys. Don't want that under there. Where'd that little screw go? Hope it didn't drop down here. Oh, darn. Oh, no, it's still stuck in that thing. Okay, I got it. That one won't turn it. Don't have the power to turn it. You're gonna have to have several screwdrivers to do this reassembly. That's all I can tell you. Boy, where am I gonna put all these little screws in with the bag? In the bag with the... in this Ziploc bag. That's the safest place for them. There's no holes in the Ziploc bag. So the 3 screws go in there. And all of these screws goes in there. That way we got them. We don't have to worry about losing them. And now, finally, this will just screw off. This should just screw right out. And that's it. That's how you take this clock apart and put it back together.